In this video, I want to talk about how to automate your payroll processing as well as your accounting for your home service business. This means that if you're into roofing, plumbing, electrical, or even HVAC services, HVAC repair, this is how you automate your payroll as well as your accounting. So I've already done a video about this platform called Claude AI. Claude AI allows for you to automate up to 95% of your workflows using what is called an AI agent. So let me show you how simple and easy it is to set up automations for your payroll and your accounting. So I'm already in Claude right now. What I did was I went to the section that says customize. So once you have an account for Claude, but you have to upgrade in order for you to use Hvac. What you simply do is you go to the left-hand panel right here on the left. And once you click on customize, it's going to bring you to the screen right here. So let's talk about connecting your apps and creating new skills. Connecting apps is connecting software that you currently use for your business. For example, if you are using, let's say, ADP or Gusto, which are the two most popular payroll processors, then this is where you'll connect it at. Right here is where you can teach Claude, your AI agent, your entire process for your business, and any kind of expertise that you currently have that you want your AI agent to know, you can teach it right here using what are called skills. So let me show you how you can connect QuickBooks and Gusto. So let me show you how to connect the software. All you do is simply click on this, and then you search for whatever software you want. So in this case, let me start with the accounting, QuickBooks, because that's the most popular. So if I type in QuickBooks, here's QuickBooks, show it up right here. And if I select it, there it is. So I've already got it connected. So there'll be a button that shows up here that says connect. Instead of you manually doing all this yourself or even hiring a physical human being to do all of this for you, pulling reports, P&L sheets, Claude Hvac does all that for you. It's amazing. Let's go and look for your payroll. In this example, I'm going to use Gusto. There it is. It says connect Claude to your Gusto account to query and analyze your payroll and people data. Amazing. Before, you had to literally log into multiple platforms, but now you're putting all these software into one place and having your AI agent manage this for you. Of course, this is just a high level of how you can automate, but if you're ready to take things to the next level and automate up to 95% of your payroll and your accounting for your business, I've put a link in the description of this video. Schedule some time. So we're going to talk about how to automate specifically to your business, because your business is probably unique to your competitors, so you need to be able to automate it the right way. For example, there's certain things like how to maximize your deductions come tax time. You want to plan ahead already. Okay, you want to plan for 2027 tax season so that everything is well organized, so that this AI agent can help you to maximize your tax deductions. Listen, who wants to pay these high taxes, right? So schedule a call. Talk to you soon.